Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to create a Fortnite account on a PC and how to add PaySafeCard payment method to Fortnite account step by step. The video how to set up a PaySafeCard account. How does PaySafeCard is work? PaySafeCard is a prepare voucher payment method which allow to you pay online using cash. Since you don't need a bank account or other type of payment instrument to complete your purchase, I will show you how to set up PaySafeCard step by step. Okay, first I can browse the internet using Google, type in PaySafeCard. Okay, gonna click first link PaySafeCard, discover how you can pay online cash. Okay, come out like that, then you have to sign up. If you have login, you can sign in. You can set up two type of account, personal account and business account. If you want to get more details about PaySafeCard, you can get more details. Go to left corner, 3-step, click on that. Again, to how does PaySafeCard work, find out sales outlet, find out show online shop, piece and limit, and any support. So I'm going to find out how does PaySafeCard work. Click that link. Okay, how to use PaySafeCard, scroll down. First you can go to sales outlet, second choose PaySafeCard with the amount that right for you. Third you can pay online. So scroll down. Okay, there are two ways to pay online with the PaySafeCard. Okay, you can go to shop and without registration you only need use 16 digit pin. You not use any personal data, and then without bank account you can set up a bank account, credit card or any type of details. Max amount per transaction up to $300. With some online shop, the registration may be necessary for all transaction. So second method, you can go to registration with online with registration fee, and within the couple minutes pay simply with your login details, manage your online payment. More future with the PaySafeCard app, maximum amount per transaction to 300, same like that when you go to shop, 300 maximum per transaction, same thing online. That's the details about the PaySafeCard. How does this work? Pay with the several PaySafeCard prepared codes. Okay, I'm going to set up a personal account. Click that personal account. Discover how to pay cash online. Pay safely and securely online with the Safecard. Okay, I'm going to click sign up. You have to complete 1 to 7 details they asking. Sign up for payment for Safecard. Okay, sign up for my Safecard. Selected country where you live in. Their website develop many countries: Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France. So I keep it that United States and continue. Create your login details, email and password. Few preferences, you can keep email, push notification, my PaySafe, and digital media. If you want, you can keep it or you can uncheck. Suppose from carefully selected PaySafeCard partners, you can keep it or uncheck. Continue. Okay, number 3, verify your email address. They're gonna be send that link to email address. I'm gonna check that email address. PaySafeCard send it already in my email address. Then I'm going to click that. PaySafeCard confirm email address. Okay, confirm email. Click that. Email address successfully verified. You can now close this page and continue with sign up. Okay, I'm going to close this one and sign up for Safecard. Continue. Okay, put your first name, last name, date of birth, then continue. Okay, enter your address details and house number, zip code, city, and continue. After details about the address, then you have to continue. Then you have to enter your mobile number. Put mobile number and continue. Alright, we are in now final part, PaySafeCard setup. You have to enter the 6 digital code number. After set up everything, account gonna be like that. You can enter your 16-digit PIN number, transaction, support center setting, security, notification, everything you can use. If you want to change setting, you can click this one and change what you want to change it. You can check all transaction if you haven't completed any transaction within this period. You can check all transaction, all incoming, outgoing, a date, from date and to date. You can search. Okay, pretty much that's a good account setup. Sign in Fortnite account. Step number one, go to Google and type in Fortnite. Can you see that link, Fortnite create play and battle with the prince for free Fortnite? Click on that link. Okay, go to all the way up right corner. You can see that the person. Click that. Okay, screen coming to sign in or sign up, email address and continue. Okay, you can put your email address and continue. Okay, after enter your email address, coming to please enter your date and birth. Okay, continue. To put your country, I'm in the US, then first name, last name, display name and password. Then we can create the password. Then you can click send me news. If you wanna, you can click this one. I have read and agree to the term of services. Then continue. Okay, after you all details entered, then come in like that. Please verify your email. Okay, next step, then you have to go to email and verify your email to Yahoo and verify my email. Yahoo, then I'm going to verify email. Epic Games, okay, I entered number and verify email. Alright guys, now in Fortnite, brand new sign up account. Okay, now we can see account redeem, V-Bucks card, link switch, link XBL, sign out. Okay, that's the how to sign up brand new Fortnite account. To add PaySafeCard to Fortnite payment method. Okay, first you have to sign in your account, then go into right upper corner. You can see that person, and going to click account. Okay, scroll down. You can see that payment management. Click that payment management. Okay, if you have a PaySafeCard, Mastercard, then go ahead and click credit card and fill up all details. Okay, click that credit card. Okay, you can see that all the details you have to fill up everything, card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, then save. Okay, after you save all the details, then go ahead and add fund to wallet. Okay, everyone, after you successfully added the PaySafeCard details, you have money in Epic account. That's the way how to add PaySafeCard in Fortnite payment method. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.